Hi there, I'm Alex. I'm new here. Nice to meet you.
Welcome, I'm Rosie. Nice to meet you too.
So, what do you do?
I work in marketing. What about you?
Oh, cool. I'm a graphic designer.
That's awesome. Do you work on any interesting projects?
Yeah, I'm currently designing a new logo for a startup. It's challenging but fun. How about you? Any exciting campaigns you're working on?
Actually, yes. We are launching a big social media campaign next month. It's a bit hectic, but I'm looking forward to seeing how it turns out.
That sounds like a lot of work, but rewarding. Do you enjoy working in marketing?
I do. I love the creativity involved. And you? What do you enjoy most about graphic design?
I really enjoy bringing ideas to life visually. It's satisfying to see a concept come together.
I can imagine. It must be great to see your designs in action.
It definitely is. So, what do you like to do when you're not working?
I love hiking and exploring new places. What about you?
I'm into photography, so I often combine that with hiking. It's a great way to capture nature.
That's cool. Maybe we could go on a hike together sometimes and you can show me some photography tips.
That sounds like a plan. I'd love to. It was great meeting you, Rosie.
You too, Alex. Looking forward to hanging out.